Okay, Mickey, what do you want to play? I think I just wanted to play with slime. Okay, Mickey. Hope Minnie does not mix up your slime. Okay. Yee, I love playing with slime. Minnie pooped. Uh-oh. Minnie pooped. Oh no, why is Minnie crying? Oh, I think she needs a diaper change. Come on, Minnie. Let's go change your diaper. Okay, I'm getting you a new diaper, so hold on. Baby powder! Minnie loves baby powder. Okay, I got you a new diaper. Hey, Minnie, why did you just got baby powder all over my face? Okay, there you go. There you go, Minnie. All clean. Fun time. Hey, why is it taking very long? Okay, Minnie's all changed. Mickey, what's the matter? Nothing. What takes so long? Well, Mickey, it's just Minnie got baby powder all over my face. Ooh. So I had to clean it up. And I got her some baby wipes too. Yes. And I know how to change a diaper. 'Cause I'm so big. Mommy.
What?
I know how to change Minnie Hand Puppet's diaper.
You do?
Yes, I know how to.
That's awesome.
Yay. Do you know how to change my diaper?
I think so, yeah. Is that where I lay you down and take your diaper off? And then I wipe you all clean and put a new diaper under your bottom and then I fasten the sides?
Did you got baby powder for me too?
Of course.
Yeah. That's how you know how to change a diaper. I wish I can change a real diaper.
You want to change a real newborn or a new baby's diaper?
I know. I should help you. Eee.
Well, the
I
next
love
time Mommy
you,
has a
Minnie
diaper to
Puppet.
change, which I don't know when that'll be.
Margaret's here. When Minnie pooped in her diaper. Oh, don't worry, Minnie. I'm changing your diaper right now. Bye. Wait. Kendall is about to change Minnie's diaper. I see. Okay. Bye. Can I help? Sure. Let's take off the old diaper. Now I'm about to get her some baby wipes. Let's throw the old diaper in the trash. Now, the baby wipes, baby powder. Here's a new diaper for Minnie. Oh, thank you, Mickey. You're just a great big helper. Wow, I am a big helper. You sure are, Mickey.